Good morning, ma'am. This is my individual video presentation. And my title is Compare and Contrast Galilean and Aristotle Conception of Motion. Number 1. Definition of motion. First, Aristotle, motion is a qualitative change emphasizing purpose and potentiality. Number 2. Galilean motion is quantitative, focusing on kinematics and dynamics. And here's the number 2 of motion. Causes of motion. First, Aristotle lateral plays inherent tendencies and external forces. Meanwhile, in the Galilean, external forces, inertia, and uniform motion. Number 3, law of motion. Aristotle now exploit law. Motion is goal-oriented. And the second, Galilean law of inertia. Objects maintain motion unless forced to change. And here's the number 4, view of space and time. First, Aristotle space and time are relative qualitative. And the second, Galilean space and time are absolute quantitative. And number 5, methodology. First, Aristotle is philosophical and philosophical observational. And second, Galilean experimental mathematical. Here is the similarities. Recognition of motion importance. Both Aristotle and Galileo acknowledge motion's central role in understanding nature. Number 2. Critique of prevailing views. Galileo built upon Aristotle's critiques of earlier philosophers while also challenging Aristotle's own views. And number 3. Emphasis on observations. Both philosophers valued observation, also Galileo emphasized experimentation. And here's the Aristotle contribution. Number 1, theological approach, focusing on purpose and natural tendencies. Number 2, 4 causes. Number 2, 4 causes: material, formal, efficient, and final. And number 3, potentiality and actuality, motion as a realization of potential. And here's the Galileo's contribution. Law of inertia. Objects maintain motion unless acted upon. And number 2, kinetic equation describing motion mathematically. And there's number 3, experimental method, systematic observation and measurement. And here's the impact on science. Number 1, scientific revolution. Galileo's works laid the foundation of classical mechanics. Number 2, challenge to Aristotelian dominance. Galileo's criticism paved the way for modern scientific thought. And number 3, influence of Newton. Galileo's laws influenced Newton's laws of motion.